what does emotional resilience actually mean? So let me just be clear. Resilience isn't pretending that everything is okay. It isn't suppressing emotions. It isn't becoming emotionally unaffected and just moving forward. Resilience is actually a capacity and ability to become aware, process emotions, and act with perspectives in mind. For example, when you can have multiple perspectives, just like that thought I had, maybe he had back-to-back meeting, naturally makes you more resilient and able to react slower with multiple. That capacity can grow. And that's encouraging because resilience isn't reserved for a few unfortunate people. It's something that we can intentionally cultivate. So mental health isn't simply about reducing symptoms. It's helping whole people become more resilient.